Let's see if we can get the fidget spinner back.
Nadia Amani toys! Get this video to 10,000 likes. Amani, can you do tricks? Hey, Amani, I'll show you something we can see. Come on. Amani, look, it's like a squirter, the fidget spinner. Amani, look, there's water squirting out of it. Hey, come look, my fidget spinner's gone down the sink. Let's call Dad. Dad, our fidget spinner's gone down the sink.
What do you mean the fidget spinner's gone down the sink?
We were playing with the water and then I just looked and then it swirled down the sink.
Oh no! Shall I come and help you? Is it going down the sink?
Yeah!
Let's have a look.
I want to see. It's down the drain.
Oh no! How are we going to get it out? Where is it, Amani?
It's down the drain, right deep down the drain.
How did you put it down there?
We were playing with the water then I just got to...
Right. I think I need to get a plunger and a hoover to help you. Right, okay, let's try this hoover. Let's see if the hoover will get it out. Where's the socket? There it is. Okay, come on, Amani, let's see if we can get it out.
Yeah!
Amani, put the power on high, please. Yeah, come on, the power is on. Let's have a look, Amani. Oh no, has it come out?
No!
Oh no, let's try the plunger. Shall we try the plunger?
Yeah! Let it out.
Get the plunger, Nadia.
Try the plunger.
Okay, let's try this, guys. Let's see if we can get the fidget spinner back. It's making some noise. Let's put some water down. Oh no. Right. That's not working.
Oh no. Oh no, let's try the vacuum cleaner again.
Put it on for me, please.
This one.
Yes. Put the power higher. On. Oh, Nadia. Oh, that noise is very loud. Oh. Put your hand over your ears. Put your hand over your ears. Come on, Nadia. Come here. Can you see it, Amani? Where is it?
It's there.
Okay. I've got it, Nadia. Yay! Look, the fidget spinner. The handy hoover's got it. Now take it off, Nadia. Take it off. Take it off. Whoa. Yeah. Did it work? Have a look if it works. Did it spin? Yeah.
Daddy, let's see if it's working. This one.
Oh, I think it's gone rusty, guys. Let's have a look. Uh-oh. Oh, it still works a little bit.
Yay! Let's check. Try it.
Okay, we don't want to put too much water because it might rust. Let's put some fairy liquid as well.
It's also
Okay,
clean.
Nadia, you wash it, please. Is it clean now? Let me wash my hands as well because of the nasty gunk. See if it's still spilling, Nadia.
Alright.
Yay!
It's good. More in my face.
Oh no! Woohoo!
It's a water squirt. It still squirts water.
Yeah, high five! Ah! Yeah!